Welcome to Chidswell Lane, Shawcross, a lovely 2-bedroom bungalow, all on one level, with parking at the rear, masses of space in the underground garage. Please allow us to show you around. At the rear, lovely enclosed garden with private access to the gates and parking for one car. There's a garage area which goes underneath the whole house. It's absolutely cavernous for space, and a beautiful shed for pottering about. Have a look at the garden. Thank you for viewing. As usual, give us a call to view on 01 924 692240 or email us hello@trustsl.co.uk. Thank you for viewing.